Good morning to all. So already we completed the syllabus. Actually, we are revising the syllabus. So today we are going to see the concept of the rotation and the revolution. Geography. Okay, what is the rotation and revolution means related to the earth. Related to the earth. So actually, the earth was in this angle. It was rotating towards this 23 half degree. In this angle only the x-axis was located. The earth is rotating in this axis itself. That will be called as a rotation. The earth will be rotating in this axis itself. Okay, that will be called as a rotation. That will be called as a rotation. So how much time it will take for rotating one time means how much time it will take for one time means 23 hours 56 minutes 4.09 seconds. So this much of that time we are getting. This only roundly we will tell 24 hours. 23 hour 56 minutes 4.09 seconds the earth will take for rotation. The earth will take time for rotation. How much time? 23 hours 56 minutes 4.09 seconds. This much of time it will take for rotating itself at once. Well, that only this value only we are all killing as a 24 hour. Okay, so because of these rotations we are all getting day night thing. So when it was happening as a day or when it was becoming as a night for us, that border line will be there. No, there will be a dot and night. That particular border line will be there. No, that will be called as a terminator line. What is that? Terminator line which was joining of the, or maybe what is that? The dark half and light half will be joined. That particular surface will be called as a terminator line actually. What is that? The line which divides the surface of the earth into lighted half and dark half. For example, the earth is there, its sun is here actually. So here all will be dark, here all will be light and here all will be dark. So this center point will be there now. Anyway, from one particular area that will be completely dark. That between that light and dark particular border line will be there. No, that line will be called as a terminator line. So these are all the important points in the rotation. Now, so next we are going to see about the revolution. So revolution means what? Earth rotating itself it will take 4 seconds, but Earth rotating and moving from one place to another. So I like that. How many days it will take for completing a single round of the sun? How much day means 365 1 by 4. Okay, 365 1 by 4. It is a day. It will take for days actually. Days it's take for rotating once of the sun actually. But normally they will calculate this is 365 alone. This 1 by 4 will be calculated for 4 years once. 1 by 4 will be calculated based on the 4 years once. So that 4 years once will be called as a leap year. One day will be added in February month. One day will be added at the February month. That's why that one day will be February 29. So overall born at February 29, they will get they will get birthday at 4 years once only. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 years once only they will get the particular birth date. So that why that 1 year, that 4th year having extra 1 day means this 1 by 4 was added for 4 years. So at 4th year it was getting as a 1 value. That's only 1 day will be extra. So that day will be, that alone will be 366. So divided by 4, which are all the year. This will not. That for example 2020 or 2016 like that. Which is the year divided by 4 without remaining the answer we are getting means that all will be called as a leap year. That also one of the concept. Okay, next one. So northern hemisphere inclined towards the sun for 6 months from 21st March to 23rd. Northern hemisphere. How it will be northern hemisphere? For example, this is here northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Okay, so based on the axis, like this it will be, it is rotating, no? So based on the axis, northern hemisphere will be come close to the sun and the southern hemisphere will be somewhat far away from the sun. That will be happen between certain month. That's why the northern hemisphere inclined towards the sun for 6 months, 21st March to 23rd September. So the north hemisphere will be inclined to the sun. It will become near to the sun. Between which day to which day means March to September. Between these 2 months only, the earth will be inclined towards the sun actually. So what is the date, sir? Actually March 21st. From this day to September 23rd, the northern hemisphere will be inclined to the inclined to the sun actually. The same thing will be happen from September 23rd to March 21st. Same September 23rd to March 21st, the southern hemisphere will be close to the sun, northern hemisphere will be far away from the sun. So, the southern hemisphere will be inclined to the sun from September 23 to March 21st. So, in which between the month, the southern hemisphere will be inclined to the sun means September 23 to March 21st. So, which month the northern hemisphere will be inclined to the sun means March 21st to September 23rd. So, the March 21st and the 23rd September will be the equator will be face the sun directly. When all March 21st is there, no? At that day and September 23rd. In these 2 days alone, the equator is there, no? Sun equator. The sunlight will be the earth equator. The sunlight will be directly fall on the equator because the axis changes. Because of that only this changes will happening. Because of that only the sunlight, the direct line will be fell down on the equator. March 21st and the September 23rd actually. So the earth is closest position to the sun means perihelion. What is that? Perihelion. The earth is closest to the sun. That will be called as a perihelion. Okay. So the earth is far away from the sun means what is that? Aphelion. Aphelion. That's it. Aphelion means the earth will be far away from the sun. The perihelion means the earth will be near to the sun. This is all the information, just learn it. And another one is the summer solstice and the winter solstice. 21st Tropic of Cancer faces the sun. This is known as the summer solstice. Summer solstice. We can rub this. So what is the thing we are seeing now? Summer solstice. It will be happen at the June 21st actually. When it will be happen? June 21st. June 21st we will get the summer solstice. Summer solstice. June 21st actually. June 21st. We will get the summer solstice. Okay, summer solstice. Okay, June 21st to June. That one day alone. We will get the what is that? Summer solstice. What is that? Summer solstice means they will get the longest day in June 21st. Okay, June 21st, we will get the longest day. So that will be called as a summer solstice. That's it. Summer solstice. June 21st, we will get the longest day. So only it will be called as a summer solstice. So what the process will be happen means longest day. Longest day we will get at June 21st. That so longest day you are getting means what's the thing? At the night time it will be very less. Longest day you are getting means very shortest night you will get at June 21st. Okay, that will be called as a summer solstice. Next one, winter solstice actually, 22nd December actually. What is that? 22nd December, that's a winter solstice. 22nd December. That will be winter solstice. Winter solstice, 22nd December, winter solstice. So how here longest day we are getting, like that here longest night time they will get. So what's the meaning of that? Like night will be long means day will be very less. Here day will be long means night will be very less. So June 21st longest day you will get. 22nd December they will get short longest night actually. So which you are getting the very longest daytime, that will be called as a summer solstice. Which you are getting very longest night means that will be called as a winter solstice. One mark, two more chances is there. Summer solstice, winter solstice. So read it properly. Okay. So next one we are going to say about the spurs of the earth. What is that? Spurs. What is the spurs of the earth? What is it, pa? Spurs of the earth actually. So what are that? Atmosphere, biosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere. Lithosphere belongs to land. Lithosphere belongs to land actually. Atmosphere belongs to air. Oxygen we are getting, carbon dioxide we are getting. The pollution was happening. These are all was happening where? In atmosphere. That all will be coming under atmosphere. Lithosphere, land, mountain, plateau, everything will be lithosphere. Okay, hydrosphere, water. So these all will be spurs. So what are the spurs of the earth means? First one we can write lithosphere. Next one, hydrosphere. Next one, lithosphere, hydrosphere. Next one, atmosphere. Okay, lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere. These are all together only we can get, what is that? Biosphere. Okay, so lithosphere means, what is that? Lithosphere means it's a land area. Lithosphere means it's a completely happened by rock and the soil. Rock and soil. Okay, hydrosphere completely based on water. River, sea, lake, pond, everything will be coming under hydrosphere. Next one, atmosphere. What is that? So in the atmosphere we have near to 78% of the, what is that? Nitrogen. Okay, 21% of the oxygen. So remaining 1% only some other gases like a helium or what is it? Hydrogen, carbon dioxide, like that near to 1%. So more percentage in the atmosphere we have means nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%. So totally 99. Remaining 1% is there. That all belongs to all other gases: helium, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, whatever. Okay, these all will be together will be called as a, what is that? Biosphere. Okay, so bio means what? Life actually. In Greek word it is a life. So lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, land, water, air, these all will be combined will be called as a biosphere. Okay. So that's it about today's topic. So learn it properly, understand the video, and go for your work. Okay, send it on time. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you.